Object X of mass m is moving to the right with a speed of 3 meters per second when it collides with object Y of mass m that is moving to the right with a speed of 2 meters per second, as shown above. After the collision, X is moving to the right with a speed of 2 meters per second, and Y is moving to the right with a speed of 3 meters per second. Which of the following is true of the collision? Several assertions are put forth relating elasticity and the conservation of either momentum or the kinetic energy of the system. We must be aware that any claim relating elasticity must involve kinetic energy, not momentum. The initial kinetic energy of the system is given by 1/2 m times 3 meters per second squared plus 1/2 m times 2 meters per second squared, or 13/2 m. A quick check of the final situation reveals that the speeds are the same. They are simply switched between objects. Thus, we must have the same kinetic energy. This is the very definition of an elastic collision. The statement that relates these two ideas is presented in option B.